Scotland, a land of rugged landscapes, ancient castles, and vibrant culture, beckons travelers with its rich history and natural beauty. From the misty highlands to the bustling streets of Edinburgh, Scotland offers a journey through centuries of heritage and scenic wonders. Join us as we embark on an exploration of Scotland's most captivating destinations and experiences. Are you ready to wander through the wonders of Scotland? Let's begin our adventure. Hello travelers, welcome to Gleaming Getaways. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the enchanting landscapes and storied history of Scotland. From the majestic castles of the Highlands to the bustling city life of Edinburgh, Scotland promises a journey filled with charm, tradition, and breathtaking vistas. Join us as we uncover the timeless allure of this beautiful country. Let's dive into the wonders of Scotland together. First, start your journey in Edinburgh, Scotland's historic capital. Explore the iconic Edinburgh Castle, perch atop Castle Rock, where you can delve into centuries of Scottish history and enjoy panoramic views of the city. Wander through the charming Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with its narrow alleys and hidden courtyards. Stay at the Balmoral, a luxurious hotel located in the heart of the city, offering elegant accommodations and views of Edinburgh Castle. Experience the city's vibrant cultural scene with visits to the National Museum of Scotland and the Scottish National Gallery. Next, venture into the Scottish Highlands, a land of rugged mountains, shimmering lochs, and ancient castles. Stay at the luxurious Inverlochy Castle Hotel near Fort William, set amid stunning scenery with Ben Nevis, the UK's highest peak, as a backdrop. Explore Glen, known for its dramatic landscapes and hiking trails, or take a scenic drive through the Cairngorms National Park, home to diverse wildlife and picturesque villages like Aviemore. The Highlands offer a perfect blend of adventure and tranquility amid Scotland's natural splendor. Furthermore, discover Isle of Skye, a paradise for nature lovers with its dramatic cliffs, medieval castles, and fairy tale landscapes. Stay at the Three Chimneys, a renowned restaurant with luxurious accommodations overlooking Loch Donvegan. Explore the mystical fairy pools in Glen, hike the Quirang for panoramic views, and visit Donvegan Castle, the oldest continuously inhabited castle in Scotland. The Isle of Skye's rugged beauty and rich Gaelic culture make it a must-visit destination in Scotland. For a journey back in time, visit Stirling, a city steeped in history and crowned by Stirling Castle. Stay at the historic Stirling Highland Hotel, a former school with Victorian architecture and modern comforts. Explore the Battle of Stirling Bridge site, where William Wallace famously led the Scots to victory against the English in 1927. Visit the National Wallace Monument, which offers panoramic views of the city and tells the story of Scotland's national hero. Stirling's blend of medieval charm and historic significance provides a fascinating glimpse into Scotland's past. Imagine exploring ancient castles, hiking through misty highlands, or discovering the tranquil beauty of Scotland's islands. Which Scottish destination captivates your imagination the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Next, immerse yourself in Glasgow, Scotland's vibrant cultural hub known for its Art Nouveau architecture, thriving music scene, and world-class museums. Stay at the Blitzwood Square Hotel, a luxurious retreat in the heart of the city, offering spa treatments and fine dining. Discover the Glasgow School of Art, designed by renowned architect Charles Rennie Mackintosh, and explore the Kelvin Grove Art Gallery and Museum, home to an extensive collection of artworks and historical artifacts. Glasgow's blend of creativity, history, and urban energy makes it a dynamic destination for cultural enthusiasts. Moreover, journey to Loch Ness, famous for its mysterious lake and legendary monster Nessie. Stay at the luxurious Loch Ness Lodge, nestled on the shores of the lake, with panoramic views and cozy accommodations. Take a boat tour of Loch Ness to search for the elusive creature and explore nearby Urquhart Castle, a historic fortress with stunning views of the loch. Hike along the Great Glen Way for scenic vistas of Scotland's Great Glen and experience the tranquil beauty of the Scottish Highlands and its finest. Additionally, explore the Outer Hebrides, a remote archipelago off Scotland's west coast known for its pristine beaches, ancient standing stones, and Gaelic culture. Stay at the luxurious Harris Hotel in Tarbert, offering sea views and locally sourced cuisine. Visit the ancient Callanish stones on the Isle of Lewis, dating back to the Neolithic era, and explore the white sandy beaches of Harris, such as Luxientre and Scarista. The Outer Hebrides offer a peaceful retreat amidst breathtaking landscapes and rich maritime heritage. For a taste of royal history, visit Royal Deeside in Aberdeenshire, a region beloved by the British royal family for its scenic beauty and historic castles. Stay at the luxurious Balmoral Castle, a royal residence set against the backdrop of the Cairngorms National Park. Explore the grounds of Balmoral Estate, go fishing on the River Dee, and visit nearby castles like Crates and Carrigevor. Royal Deeside's regal charm and tranquil countryside make it a delightful escape into Scotland's aristocratic past. Also, explore the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of Skara Brae, a Neolithic village older than Stonehenge, and the Ring of Brodgar, a stone circle dating back to 2500 BC. Visit the Italian Chapel, a unique chapel built by Italian prisoners of war during World War II, and enjoy the island's natural beauty through coastal walks and bird watching. Finally, experience the Orkney Islands, an archipelago off Scotland's northeastern coast, known for its ancient archaeological sites, pristine beaches, and Viking heritage. Stay at the luxurious Sands Hotel in Burray, offering panoramic sea views and modern amenities. As your journey through Scotland comes to an end, we're left with memories of majestic castles, breathtaking landscapes, and warm Scottish hospitality. From the historic streets of Edinburgh to the mystical Isle of Skye and the tranquil shores of Loch Ness, Scotland has captivated us with its timeless beauty and rich heritage. Whether you're planning your own Scottish adventure or simply dreaming of its wonders, may the spirit of Scotland's landscapes and culture inspire you to explore this remarkable country. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration and start planning your next journey with gleaming getaways. Until next time, bon voyage!